That's all right. I'm just put a little flavor on here. You know, fish-like flavor. We talked about that the other day. Fish just love flavor. How to get this camera set flat when it's on this mount? I think we caught us a little tree limb. Oh, we got him off the tree limb. Never know. Put a little flavor on it first, though. Drop it down a little bit. There we go. Using a purple Hellgrammite with a little bit of this here super gel flavoring. That way when they get it in their mouth, they'll be like, yummy. This is delicious. Now I got it on my hands. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna smell good like the fish bait. That brings us, ooh, that stuff's sticky. I mean, it's on. Get this rag out of here. I mean, it's on. That stuff's sticky. Let's throw it out here in a little deeper water. See if we have any luck. We ain't even really got started good yet. When I'm using the flavoring, it says bass on there. Does that mean it tastes like bass or bass likes it? Not sure. I can't see why a bass would want to eat bass, but maybe they do. Oh, there we go. That was a brim. Definitely got a tap. Had it been a brim. Tappity tap. Okay, he may have it. No, don't have it. Yes, he does have it. He does have it. He had it. He had it the whole time. Golly, bum. Let's get that net. I thought it was a brim and it was the one picking it up. Golly, bum. It's a nice one, too. Yep. Thought it was a brim. Okay, let's see what we got here. Feels like a good one. Oh, man. Just loosen up my drag a smidge. Bad gun. Stay down, fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a bass. Yep, pretty good one, too. I gotta get some more line off here, buddy. Come over here. He swallowed it, but I'll get it out. Oh, yeah, nice little bass there. Right, we got it out. Look at there. Pretty nice bass. All right, buddy. Go down there and heal you up a little bit, but you wasn't too bad. Pretty nice. Look at that. He swam off. Good deal, buddy. It just caught his bottom of his mouth. It didn't really go in the stomach or nothing. All right. Put my net back. That was a good fish. I didn't even take a picture. I always take a picture. I knew I was forgetting to do something. I'll have to just look at the video of it. All right. All right. Well, he was up towards the bank. Let's reposition a little bit. Throw back in here in this corner. Couple pounder. Yeah, he picked it up and was coming towards the boat. Yeah, it felt just like a brim pickup. Tap, tap, tap. Did nothing. Drag felt pretty good. I probably could go a little bit tighter. All right. There's a bunch of Christmas trees right there in that spot. Let's get a little closer or straighten up a little bit. Got a little sun on the subject. There are a lot of Christmas trees in that area. I'm coming over a limb right there. Over the limb. And now we're all going over the limb down to the ground again. All right, we got it reflavored up. Yum, yum. All right, let's paddle about around here a little bit. Oh, there's some trees. A little bit more to the left where I just threw. Yeah, let's try it right there. See if I can not get hung in them. Oh, oh, already. Got a little hit on the way down. Is he toting it? I haven't. I don't know yet. Just put some flavor on it. Maybe he likes it. I don't know. I can't tell. No, just went over a limb. So it was just a limb I bumped into. Some days I'll come out here and catch 12 to 15 bass, all about like the one I just caught. And then other days I'll come out and nothing. But that one biting is a good sign. All right, we're getting a little shade. All right, this looks like a good spot to stop at for a minute. Throw a little bit off the end of that point right there. That's right where I want it. Look at that. There's a lot of snags in there. Hey, there's a snowy egret hanging out there. He likes that spot. He seems to hang out there pretty often. Let's be quiet. Shh, we gotta sneak up on him. What's funny is when I fish here off the bank, I'll catch most of them about 20 yards out, 15 yards out, something like that. Yet when I'm in my kayak, I'm throwing at the bank. Don't make no sense. That kid on the bank, he goes out there about every day. I'm not even sure he lives here because uh-oh, we got one. Oh my gosh, yes we do. Stay on there, buddy. Pretty good one. Let's just throw him in the boat. There we go. Heck with the net, coming in. Oh my gosh, sit still, buddy. You're gonna, chaos. Oh my God. Sorry, buddy. That was chaotic. I wouldn't expect you to jump up like that. All right, look at this little dude. He's a nice little fish. He's skinny. Here we go. Got him hooked with my fingers now. And of course, my camera's aiming the wrong daggone way. Can't get this thing to aim where I want it to. There we go. Sorry, buddy. Let me get this hook. Gosh, I bent my hook. There we go. Look at there. Let's get his picture since we didn't get the last one. This is a little smaller, but we'll get his picture anyway. Let's see, best way like that right there. There we go. All right, dude. Thank you much. You have a nice little swim. He didn't really tap on it either. I just saw my line moving. Man, that was chaotic. I don't know what happened. I just went crazy. Might have to put some more flavoring on it. You know, fish love flavor. I mean, think about it. If you put some gravy on some really bad food, you can eat it, you know? You get a real bad fried pork chop, you know, I don't really want that. But you put some gravy on it, and you got yourself a hearty gravy biscuit. Oh, there we go. I can't tell if that's, I think, no, it's because I'm moving. I'm fixing to get hung, that's what it is. I knew there's a snag out here. Let's see if I can get it loose. No, let me go past it. I've been snagged here so many times, even fishing with a worm. I get snagged. I think there's like a fence post or something down there. Here we go, got it loose. Let's check it. Oh, it needs some straightening out. Oh Lordy, worst way is that going? I don't necessarily want to participate in that. All right. Sitting out here with a lightning rod in my hand. There we go. I know I saw some lightning on this here app. Oh, it is. What we got? Let's hit play. Oh God, it's coming at me. I may have another 30 minutes and I'll have to get out of here. I think I'm on a limb. Don't feel like no fish. The limb. About to pull my bait off. The only thing I don't like worse than snakes is lightning. A little flavor. Fish love flavor. Yeah, look at that. Makes me want a taste of it, just to see how much flavor is on there. Where's this line go? There we go. Fish love flavor. I get up to 100 subscribers and I'm gonna have a kayak tour. A kayak tour like you ain't never seen. It's gonna be a real short video. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh man, I felt like a little tap. Still feels like a little limb. I'm gonna go up a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna go to the other side. Let's pop across. Got goo all over it. Goo, goo, goo. Probably what I was feeling. I was going through goo. Seems like this side over here has always got a lot of goo on it. But I have caught some good fish over here. A little drizzle. Oop, there we go. That was a hit. He's on it. Yep, there he is. Oh, he's pretty good too. Let him run a minute and listen up my drag. Pretty good. Oh, he got loose. Did you believe in that? He was a good one too. I got a shadow glimpse of him. Dad burn it. Look at that. Didn't pull my hook through. Amateur move, amateur move, amateur move. I still feel oil on it, so it's still got flavor, but it's starting to rain, so let me pedal towards boat dock. See if I can make it back before the bottom falls out. Woohoo! All right, put that up in here for now. See if we can get out without going for a swim. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Raining camera stuff. Looks like we're gonna make it. Alrighty. Let the leg down. All right, that's pretty close. See if we can get it up on there. A little bit crooked. Let's see, and then go left just a foot. Pretty good. All right, I'm gonna lay my rods down where they don't get snagged up in the trees on the trip home. All right, we're ready to head out. All right, folks. Thanks for joining. It was a good day fishing. I'm gonna walk home and y'all have a good one. See you later.